Hi, welcome to the Gourmet Chef. Today I'll be sharing with you a very rich recipe of ganache. It's very simple and very easy to make. I've got 900 grams of dark chocolate and 600 grams of heavy cream. First, I'm gonna melt this dark chocolate in the saucepan on direct heat but on a very low flame, and make sure that you keep mixing it while you're heating it up. We'll turn on the heat. Make sure that the saucepan heats up, then lower the flame and start mixing your chocolate. You'll see that it has already started melting from the bottom. Keep mixing. Don't let the chocolate stick to the bottom of the pan or it will burn. This is the fastest way of making a dark chocolate ganache. Keep mixing, don't let it stick to the bottom. Lower the flame even further. Vigorously mix. Our chocolate has now completely melted, and now we'll add the heavy cream. We'll add the heavy cream. Vigorously mix till the cream is incorporated completely inside of the chocolate. The mixture would thicken. That is not something to be worried about. It happens. It's how it works. Our rich dark chocolate ganache is now ready. If you like this video, do remember to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.